Welcome back to Divine Inspired Care. So glad you could join us, our faithful subscribers. Before we delve into our topic, let's understand a bit about the pancreas. The pancreas is a vital organ in our body that plays a crucial role in digestion and regulating our blood sugar levels. It produces important enzymes that help break down proteins, carbohydrates and fats, and also releases insulin and glucagon, hormones that help regulate the way our bodies use sugar for energy. Now, every year, nearly 460,000 people worldwide are diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, a disease often called the silent killer. It's a stealthy, creeping up on its victims with little to no warning, making it one of the most dangerous forms of cancer. This is a cancer that doesn't play fair. It waits in the shadows, often presenting no symptoms until it has advanced and becomes challenging to treat. This elusive nature is why pancreatic cancer tends to be diagnosed late, making early detection and knowledge of symptoms crucial. It's a silent threat, but it doesn't have to be a silent killer. By understanding its symptoms and impacts, we can increase our chances of catching it before it grows too large and becomes more difficult to manage. Awareness about this disease can make a significant difference. Let's dive deeper into the journey of a pancreatic cancer. For our patient, let's call her Jane, the journey began with subtle signs she overlooked. Jane, a vibrant woman in her early 50s, started noticing a subtle yellowing of her skin and eyes. She brushed it off, attributing it to her busy lifestyle and lack of sleep. But then, she started noticing changes in her urine and stools. Her urine had taken on a darker hue, resembling the color of cola, while her stools had lightened, losing their usual brown tone. Jane, being a health-conscious individual, knew that these changes were not normal, but she rationalized them away. She thought perhaps it was her diet or the new medication she was taking for her cholesterol. But as weeks turned into months, these symptoms persisted, refusing to be ignored. It was around this time that Jane also started experiencing persistent itching, especially at night. At first, she thought it was an allergic reaction to something, but when the itching persisted and became more intense, she started to worry. Then came the unexplained weight loss. Jane had always maintained a healthy weight and diet, but she found herself losing weight without trying. Her appetite had decreased and she was no longer enjoying her favorite foods. Jane, like many other patients, initially dismissed these symptoms, but as they persisted, she sought medical help. It was this decision that led her to the doctor's office, where she would eventually receive her diagnosis of pancreatic cancer. After a series of tests, Jane was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. A sentence no one wants to hear, yet it's the reality for many. Jane's case particularly stood out due to her sudden onset of diabetes and unexplained weight loss. Two symptoms that at first seemed unrelated to each other. Jane had been leading a healthy lifestyle, maintaining a balanced diet and staying active. So the diabetes diagnosis came as a shock. But what was even more concerning was her rapid weight loss. Despite eating well and keeping up with her exercise routine, she was shedding pounds inexplicably. Initially, she attributed these symptoms to stress, but when they persisted, she sought medical advice. The doctors were puzzled too. After a series of tests, they finally discovered the hidden culprit: pancreatic cancer. This revelation was a shock to Jane, her family, and friends. It's a silent threat that had been lurking unnoticed, manifesting itself as seemingly unrelated health issues. Jane's story is a stark reminder that pancreatic cancer is a master of disguise. Its symptoms often mimic other common health concerns, making it a challenge to detect early. It's crucial to pay close attention to sudden and unexplained changes in our bodies, as they can be the first indication of a serious health issue. Jane's story is not uncommon. Many face similar situations due to the elusive nature of pancreatic cancer. Awareness, vigilance, and early detection can make a world of difference in the battle against this silent threat. Armed with knowledge, Jane was ready to fight her battle against pancreatic cancer. Jane's journey began with a diagnosis that was a shock to her and her loved ones. But she was determined not to let this disease define her. She had a life to live, dreams to chase, and a disease to conquer. The first step in her battle was understanding her enemy. She learned about the nature of pancreatic cancer, its symptoms, and most importantly, the treatment options available to her. The importance of early detection cannot be overstated. Jane was fortunate. Her cancer was detected at a stage where she could opt for surgery. This operation, known as a pancreaticoduodenectomy or the Whipple procedure, involves removing the part of the pancreas where the tumor is located. It's a complex surgery, but it can significantly improve survival rates when the cancer is confined to the pancreas. But surgery isn't the only treatment option for pancreatic cancer. Jane also underwent chemotherapy, a systemic treatment that uses drugs to kill cancer cells throughout the body. This treatment was designed to shrink her tumor and to kill any cancer cells that may have spread beyond the pancreas. Radiation therapy was another part of Jane's treatment plan. This therapy uses high-energy rays to destroy cancer cells. For Jane, it was used to target the cancer in her pancreas without harming the surrounding healthy tissue. Jane's battle was not an easy one. It involved days of fatigue, discomfort, and uncertainty. But she was not alone. Her medical team was with her every step of the way, providing her with the best care possible. Her journey also included moments of hope and triumph. Each clear scan, each successful round of treatment was a victory in her battle against pancreatic cancer. She found strength in her loved ones, her determination, and her belief in the power of medical science. Jane's story is not just a tale of survival, it's a testament to the human spirit, to the power of knowledge, and to the importance of early detection and treatment in battling pancreatic cancer. Despite the challenges, Jane fought bravely, inspiring those around her. Jane's journey illustrates the importance of awareness and early detection. Her story, however, is not just about her personal fight against pancreatic cancer. It's a powerful testament to the significance of understanding this silent threat. Let's delve into the heart of the matter, the power of awareness. When we talk about awareness, we're not just referring to knowing that pancreatic cancer exists. It's about understanding the symptoms, knowing the risk factors, and recognizing the importance of early detection. It's about empowering ourselves with knowledge and sharing that knowledge with others. You see, pancreatic cancer is often referred to as a silent killer. This is because it quietly grows and spreads within the body, often without presenting any noticeable symptoms until it reaches an advanced stage. This is why awareness is so crucial. The more we know, the better we can recognize the early signs and seek medical attention promptly. Remember, early detection can make a significant difference in treatment outcomes. It can increase the chances of successful treatment and can potentially save lives. But how can we detect something early if we don't know what to look for? This is where awareness comes into play. Sharing information is a powerful tool in the fight against pancreatic cancer. By sharing this video, you are contributing to the spread of vital information about this disease. You are giving others the tools they need to understand the symptoms, to know when to seek medical help, and to potentially catch the disease in its early stages. But the power of awareness doesn't stop there. It also encourages research and funding, leading to advancements in early detection methods and treatments. It inspires conversations, reduces stigma, and fosters a supportive community for those affected by pancreatic cancer. Share this video with others to spread awareness. Together, we can fight against pancreatic cancer. Yes, the journey may be challenging, but with knowledge and awareness, we are better equipped to face it. After all, knowledge is not just power, it's a lifeline. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that it has provided you with a deeper understanding of pancreatic cancer and the power that awareness holds. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We regularly share videos like this on various health topics. Your support helps us continue to produce the content that helps educate and empower others. But we can't do this alone. We need your help to spread the word. If you know someone who could benefit from this information, please share this video with them. By doing so, you're not just sharing a video, you're sharing potentially life-saving information. You're helping to spread awareness, and you're joining the fight against pancreatic cancer. Together, we can make a difference. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.